Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the camshaft position sensor on Volkswagen Tiguan third generation. Here guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts or tools, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the camshaft position sensor, before we start guys, we'll check fuses for engine management, camshaft position sensor, very important fuses. There is limited information exactly which one it is. That's why we need to check multiple fuses in different fuse boxes. And another thing, if you want to see how to test camshaft position sensor on a car, we have videos on the channel that will teach you how to do that. Let's go ahead guys. Okay, first we're going to go ahead and open the hood, and once we open the hood guys, here, okay, that's the main engine fuse box that we have right here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them guys to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So guys, here now we need to check multiple fuses, and starting on this side, this is the fuse box layout for 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan. We'll explain about that one first, and then we'll explain about 2008 to 2011. Starting here, we need to check guys fuse number 10, very important fuse right here. Then we need to locate fuse number 13, so we'll go right here, 13, 14 and 15. Then 13, 14, 15, then we need to check fuse number, you may have 16, 17, 18. Those are very important fuses guys. Next you jump to fuse number 23, right here, 24, and these two relays. In addition, if you still have problems with the car, check your mega fuses on the front, because it could be a bad mega fuse that causes that problem too. Now we're going to come to show you for 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan. That's what the fuse box looks like right here. And guys, here things will differ a little bit. We're still going to have fuse number 10 now, which will be right here. Then we need to check fuse number 13 after that. So 13, 14, 15, these three fuses right here. Then we go to fuse number 20. You may have this one, some models. 21, 23 and 24, very important fuses. and you need to check the two relays. Okay, on the front you have the mega fuses. Now guys, we're not done. We still have a few things to check. 3 more fuses there on the inside of the car. Let us show you where. So if you open the driver door here now, on the driver's side you see the steering wheel. Underneath it on the left side you have a hidden fuse box. By the way, we have a special video that's called VW Tiguan fuse box location and diagram. It will teach you all about your hidden fuse boxes, relays. You will have many hidden components in that car that you need to know. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Coming here, guys, we will be working in the mini fuse box here in the middle row. We need to check 3 fuses in a row. The bottom, underneath the fuses, you'll see the numbers. That's number right here, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you need to check fuse number 13, 14, 15. These 3 fuses right here. Those are the main fuses that we need to check. The relays, guys. Now we explain about those relays, but if you still have problems with the with anything like that, go ahead and check the engine computer relay. If you don't know where it's located, we'll have the video on the channel, but most likely that's also what's causing the problem as well. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.